moving on to Iniko and Eva, we get a lot of inquiries about how they're doing. They're doing great. We get regular updates from the keepers at LA Zoo. Mike Clark sent us these photos. He actually sent a video too that we're going to post soon. So keep an eye out for VWS updates, our email e-newsletter updates. We'll have a link to this, a photo of these two interacting at the pen. It's a great video. I would have played it today, but every time I try to play videos on our Zoom talks, they slow down. But the great news is that we have a tentative, we're starting to hone down when we're going to transfer these two up to San Simeon for release. And it looks like mid-October. We don't have an exact date, but we will soon enough. We're waiting for some other chips to fall in line before we set an exact date. And of course, we're hoping to have that live streaming. So that's going to be just like last year. We're going to live stream all the releases. So that should be really exciting. And we're guessing the release, they'll get to the pen in mid-October. So we're going to hold them at least a month, maybe two. And so that'll put the release date sometime between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So that'll be our early Christmas present this year, getting these two back out in the wild. And they definitely have, Iniko is fully recovered from that leg injury she suffered when she got knocked out of the nest. And both really strong birds, and they're socializing really well with the group they're in. So we're really, really excited.